Hey guys, coronavirus time. So, you know how there's not very good slimes, like jiggly slime that will rip easily, you can't put it back together? Yeah. Well, there's a whole bunch of really good putties, but they're not stretchy like this. They're not that stretchy. So, I'm going to show you how to make putty into a pretty good slime. And it'll still stretch. Okay. So what you're gonna need is a putty, any type of putty. I just grabbed off this from HEB, about $3. Now you're gonna want to use lotion, so let me go grab that real quick. I already put in like 2 handfuls of lotion and it still rips. And I really don't want it to rip that much. So I'm gonna, I was thinking of putting shaving cream in here, but we don't have shaving cream. And lotion will work better. It's a miracle savoring slime. Ooh, that's nice. Just mix it. It will come together eventually. And just mix it. You have to mix it in all the way, or so you're gonna have a very sticky slime. So, this is nice. Maybe like 2 handfuls, or even a cup of lotion should work. Ooh, that's some nice slime. Oh, that's some good clips. So I mixed all the putty that I got from here into this color. It's better when you see it in real life. It's like a nice, like goldish brown. If you want to make it into butter slime, you can put in some Daiso clay. I don't really think air dry clay would work good. Don't think air dry clay would work good with this because it's air dry, it'll harden your slime to bits. So yeah. A lot of people have lotion, and if you don't, you could use Germex, hand sanitizer, whatever you all call it. I call it Germex for fun. But yeah, you would need a lot of more Germex. Maybe like 2 cups of Germex for a slime. And I have kid hands, and this is this big, just a handful. So yeah. And I needed a lot of lotion, like a lot, but it's good. Anyways, that's for the tutorial. I know I did one in the past, but this one is permanent. Unless your slime dries out, then just microwave and put lotion back in. Peace.